Fantastic morning, Gabusiamra, so Yankan Sama Koso, a good day, more Bibila. Now, so there's a fantastic Otiano Paya de Broke to Senior Arabia. Now, I said Jobano Chopana Party with Kemi producers, Kidwana Cassani, Erica Sidu Bwedi, Sedimo Gel and Roll on Omokaonia de Bar, and GFAS Mixture, and of course, onexpert.com. Your sponsors, no. Now, Yabasha Tempa, so their fee. La Liga and Real Madrid close capono on Barcelona, Bromoche, Valencia, Bomo Camino, Valencia, and to me, about at a cost and Karim Benzema and a damn Letao, a pry, I will give but winning after Real Madrid to the 3 maximum points. I was a game on La Liga Mudie na yebebo remu e was na weekend officials to be sia comparenra e wo Italy Juventus ball Lazio or the Coppa Italia mu Juventus 1 Lazio 0 shane so sa efa e ma me kokopie mu e wo the FIFA Club World Cup and so go so koso and one semana ba yen La Liga ni be sene officials this year na ba na Cadiz and the DPM Espanyol and Osasuna, Elche and Villarreal, Atletico Madrid, Getafe, Real Betis, Celta de Vigo, Barça Benada, and Sunday Mallorca, Real Madrid. Idia uf, Monchal Mianco. Girona and Valencia, na Real Sociedad, and Valladolid, Barcelona, and Sevilla, and then on Monday, Rayo Vallecano, and so Jidamona, so Dominic Almeria, and so at the Abueni, we need the Ecoso La Liga, the English Premiership, the MS, and also on some Messier. Na ene match back over Basel Chelsea ni Fulham and a day Abueni and Everton Arsenal Bochina. Oh, match bede. Aston Villa, a banner say team new coach Sao Hadrian Pa. Aston so Pesoji League nti Aston Villa and Leicester na Brentford ne Southampton, Brighton over Biom ne Bournemouth, Manchester United ne Crystal Palace, Wolves and Liverpool, Newcastle United and West Ham United and and consider Northern Forest and Leeds. Here can Northern Forest as Sebono Omo announced the signing of Ghana captain Andre the Ayew, and they say Ghana players now. Omatieimo Premiership no pa Shane Somame. Tottenham Hotspur Man City so mo bed pa on Sunday. The way EPL officials also want some now. Serie A ni yen hwe Serie A some see here. And match because so in Italian Serie A da bi ochina mo Cremonese den Lecce, Roma ne Empoli Sassuolo and Atalanta. Spezia and Napoli and Napoli jana masona no den. A league in the margin advance. Yes. I'm on Spezia in home top Torino, and then Udinese, Fiorentina, and Bologna, and Milan derby is here. Inter Milan, and AC Milan neighbor. There's Monday, Hellas Verona, Lazio, and Monza, and Sampdoria, and they play the German Bundesliga, and so send you some AC Etienne. Augsburg ne Bayer Leverkusen na Saturday Cologne ne Leipzig abo Union Berlin ne Mainz Borussia Dortmund ne Freiburg na Eintracht Frankfurt and Hertha Berlin Bochum and Hoffenheim na Borussia Mönchengladbach ne Schalke and the appearance of Stuttgart Werder Bremen on Sunday Wolfsburg and Bayern Munich and so mobile the papa now yanko na yenhwe the French League as well the eba Paris Saint-Germain need to lose na Troyes and Lyon Rennes and in Lille and a day about Clermont-Foot and in Monaco. Ajaccio in Nantes, Auxerre and in Rennes nebo Lorraine, Angers, na Strasbourg. Yes, Jikube Jilemo had money, Montpellier, Brest and in Lan and Ebo. Na no Brest ebo draw, but Namo Bofier. That is on Sunday and Brazia should pan my Brest player Brazia. Lan, Marseille and in Nice and the PM so in the French League A and the channel. Sa efa emame onexpert.com and I can't wait in some idea bro onexpert.com oba bet and bet oba bia match sama bobo so nyina no onexpert.com na bet medis kadia go bottom. Don't leave yourself enya ho fa ho gym nipa nsan yeah fia cameraman ni sound of phone nyina no so osmosis next month or worry onexpert.com I say obia must come fan worry say wa worry any me chere na onexpert.com and on dey gusu a chapo o say medi di kwa ne enko mpe gift on si gift table and onexpert.com and aboa ne sa ti chairman fa ho jim nipa nsan so ho yen kwede na yen hwe the Black Stars of Ghana kache say obi a chana dwen e was na team na si e kodo ho na former general secretary the NPP ora kwamna Japan and on sama to dwa say na no e beto dwa say $100,000 and penny form your money committee at the moment say almost somebody team nature hope you World Cup na see no sabe and send for takra I know say aban hwe no ye ho bibi
na say you call World Cup
$100,000
how when juvenile clubs are losing money. Last week, me team there were Dabraka, Argentinos unit. One more Belgium's because that's one registration weekend. 5,000 that's a register place. Me 2 affiliation fee. Also the gate him. So me top balls. Me say, but I just love the game. At Tizigi out there, no, my color. Go Kela how to Rashida last and Munina Adabraka. So, pebble there, but the minimum finance is just the commercial side of it. And the national team no bar has him, Kotokonim, Doabs him. How do we then have a link to the national team? Oh, and me share unique locally, Chan no more than say Lusu to Niger. Me real we pan
Ghana pa Niger.
This is the top team we can have from our local.
Right, onexbet.com. American come once match, but Jifas Misha and I'm marginal nice one me. My castle badge and nice one. When it's here, I have been my nice one. I mean, you know that. onexbet.com. I'm okay. One of paying a son of boy. Jifas Misha so I'm marginal nice one. It's an honest and some Swiss city. The Ghanaian Premier League match 15 games. Meanwhile, a came when I say if a Lions form more moon and wanting. How much a Great Olympics bomber come and sign Great Olympics and to me and say Accra Sports Stadium now. Matema Kumasi Asante Koroko, Karela Chomo, your Mojma Kaba Common to me and say Koroko Fusua, but I'm here there. Karela, Anomom, Yamura games anymore.
This is good for Karela into the 18-yard box. Asari had to make himself big and large. Player goes down in the box, appeals for the penalty, and Karela have it.
Mo Sharif under pressure here.
Frederick Asari stands ready. And Karela shoot ahead. Samuel Atakumi, hero of the moment.
Got the movement right, saw the ball, but got the direction right, but can't stop that ball because a lot of power behind the ball. Brilliant hit, and you could imagine how frustrating Asari will be feeling. Had seen the movement, has seen the direction, but can't stop the ball, and it's a brilliant hit.
Again, Karela in firm control as they try and bring the game to their opponent. Shot is fired on target.
The pass is going through together here. Look at the link up between Owusu and Ata.
Floated in nicely. Asempa to the rescue. Kick. And it's a long, heavy one by Ebenezer Okran. It goes deep. Pressure on Kotoko. And again, was up. So Kotoko will take over now. 85th minute in the game. Mokwala. And the shot is fired on target. And that was Safu.
Good play from Safu Taylor here. He wins the battle against the very strong Osekweku, and here cuts on to his left and
picked up nicely by Rashid. Now through the near side, Boydu leaves the ball for Enoch Morrison. Lovely flick there from Safu Taylor to Mukwala. Careful defending by the defense of Karela. Yaya. Karela have the advantage. Here is Dafe Humin. Good play to the far side. Opportunities for Karela. Shoots on target. That was a thunderbolt of a shot. Asari went down well for that. Corner kick advantage. Karela.
Again, great play. Lovely hit.
Touch, and that is it. It's all over here at the Crosby Ewa Memorial Park. Sweet victory for the home side. Karela United Football Club.
Right, the course war camp park and no shane so sa family. Metema Kumasi asande koroko coach say Luzebo. What's the penalty video who be that?
On n'a pas scoré et en fin de jeu l'arbitre a sifflé un penalty et voilà ça nous a coûté cher. On peut faire la différence en première mi-temps.
The difference is we had the chances to score a goal. We defeat ourselves because we had all the chances to score a goal. We couldn't score. And eventually, the referee gave unwarranted penalty to them, and they have their goal to score.
Study more gel and roll on Kenwana here in Seminole at the April Nano Pena Yenshre Match Day 16 Ghanaian Premier League near us and Ebisiako this weekend Tamale City and Kud Royals and Epim so on Saturday. Kud Royals but that's how much yes Kwemuka now no mutimi wini here Sebekwa Great Olympics as I say no lose on Dreams FC Balls Sunday Brekum Chelsea in Bechem United and Ebo Diema and the Summer Tex Archie Uni Heart of Folk. Oh, gee, match and I'm in Legon Cities and a King Faisal and a boy with you, Adriana Stars, Etnafi in Swatterman, Eddie Abuenina Gold Stars, and Sonny Carella United Abo, Edwada Asante, Asante Kotokwa Lions, our Baba Yara Sports Stadium, match in the BFA. Now, Lions are so jap papa and Yasam Ketokra and Kotokwa drop points as a folk. There's a belly di Kotoko, RSF be also Biabit Makuya, but. Still, weekend matches in the betchere. Second Koshe, and I saw Jija home. I'm a house at Shako. The same wing now, boss one. Sell you don't one share on your compa, Wako, Doma, Diana Stars, so I wide the pioneers and Ketua Quantama, Ligino, a more I the year pie. I had a BPM and one San Bebro, and oneexpert.com, okay, one opinion, and some Nebro, Bebetia, near oneexpert.com, and of course, a G-Fast mixture, okay, Hobbe Bima. G-Fast mixture, I'll be your bar, G-Fast mixture. Among and Quambia so more sponsor. Study more gel and roll on. Pin ni bekwa study more. Pin no bekwa study more gel and roll on. Me fa so from massage. Na BPN team koye na 0208 219 129 0208 219 129 0208 986 eno na wo fretin dodo. What has there? Yeah man, and you might queer sponsors are previa. I'm okay home day. I can see bro. I will become so. Sergio Manucho, Bena Paddy will me producers. Kaisa Odena Casabaka Kijwana home. Erica C. Dubois. Na kwa feel and the say a pay home kakra. Koswa Hebigum.